Discover a charming hand-hewn log cabin on 24 beautiful acres with serene views of a pond, mountains and stream. The property also features 6 mobile homes generating monthly rental income. Additional features include a fishable pond, small stream, tractor shed, and Smith Mountain Lake. This historic property also includes a Confederate Cemetery, making it a unique and perfect family retreat. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.